So ma'am, the next one you say you want to make the Yoast local SEO. So my request to you, please log out this admin area on your Chrome browser. I am showing you. And just follow my instruction. Just click the logout button, and now you are logged out on your business website. So type the main domain, then admin, and press the enter button, and then you can see the username or email address. So right now you need to use the username only admin, and the password is only 20202020, and then click the remember, then login. And right now you have logged on my user profile. I'm showing you the all user. The first one is the development mode, is the administrator, and this is the you, and this is my son profile. So right now you need to access as an admin on this website, not your profile Angela Jones. And then you can see the Yoast option, Yoast SEO option, then the local SEO you can see here. So I'm clicking the local SEO, and you can see the business information, and my business type is organization. Also you can select lot of organization is here. You can select this the particular for your suitable business, then business address line true number, and the all the field, because this is must require for the local SEO. Also the API key, I can include API key after you can put the all the address field here. But remember, you need to log out your own profile to my admin profile. Thank you.